Hello, hi my dear students. Today inshallah we'll take Unit 7 Extreme Situations on the close-up page 90, the vocabulary. Today we'll take prepositions and collocations and expressions. Okay, let's start by number A, prepositions. We have here two prepositions and you choose one of them to continue the sentence. Okay. The first one, between or about the same size. So it will be about the same size. So you are about the same size, you have the same size, okay? The top of or the top to the mountain. The top of the mountain. The top of the mountain. Over or along 32 degrees Celsius. Okay? So it will be over 32 degrees Celsius. Okay? Onto or in a desert. In a desert, in a desert, below or under freezing, below freezing, below freezing, in or on the planet, so of course on the planet, on the planet. Run across or run across something, that means to pass something, okay? Over or above sea level, above sea level, above sea level, so more than the sea level, okay? During or over the years, over the years, so over the years, not just 1 year, 2 year, okay? Over the years. And the last one, number 10, behind or in the water, in the water. So again, let's read them. About the same size, and say after me please. About the same size, the top of the mountain, over 32 degrees Celsius, in a desert, below freezing, on the planet, run across, above sea level, over the years, in the water. Now let's start by answering number B. Choose the correct answer under the passage. From the top, we have here the top of, okay? So from the top of the highest mountain to the bottom of the sea, the word is full of extreme or extremes. Let's take a look at some of the most amazing one. With temperature well freezing. So we said that before, it will be below freezing. Below freezing, under freezing, okay? Below freezing and very strong winds. A mountain top is an extreme place, something very hard to be. The tallest mountain, in or on the planet? On the planet. So the tallest mountain on the planet is, of course, Mountain Everest. Its peak rises 8,850 meters. The sea level. So sea level here, up. It will be above the sea level or above sea level. Excellent. Number 4, the years. 1,200 people have made the long, lonely climb to the top of Everest. So it will be over. That means more than 1,200 people. The Sahara Desert is in North Africa and is the same size. So it will be about the same size as USA, with so much sun and a very little rain. So it's very dry. Summer temperature there are often 32 Celsius. So it will be over, more than 32 Celsius. The hottest temperature ever recorded on the earth was in the Sahara, when the temperature reached 58 Celsius. The Amazon is one of the longest rivers in the world. It begins in the mountains of Peru, goes South America. So it will be South Cross, goes across South America and ends at the Atlantic Ocean. If you ever go on a journey to the Amazon, be very careful, as well as the lovely pink dolphins. They are also some horrible creature. The water. So inside the water, that means in the water. Excellent, including flesh-eating piranha. So piranha, they made a lot of films about this piranha and they can eat you or a part of your body. Now let's move on to the collocations and expressions. Now we will make a match. We have here on the first line or in the first column, keep, do, get, go, save, and go. And we have ABC, lost, missing, calm, someone's life, on a journey, your best. So the first one, keep. So if you want to make someone have a rest and stay relaxed, you will say that keep calm, keep calm. So you'll match number one with the letter C. Number two, do. So it will be do your best. Make the best something you can do to save your brother, for example. So do your best to pass the exam. So number two, it will be with the letter F. Number three, get. So it will be get lost. Number three, it will match with the letter A. Get lost to like be missing person, or you get lost of your destination. Number four, go. So the go comes with missing. Go missing, that means to disappear or we don't know where you are. So go missing. Number five, save. So number five, save, it will be save someone's life. You save your brother's life. You save your mother's life by rescue her or him. Number six and the last one, go. So we have here go on a journey and go missing. So we have here go a journey or go missing. We have keep calm, do your best, get lost, save someone's life. Now let's try to answer the exercise D. Okay. Number one, everyone should do their best at school. So everyone should do their best at school. We will answer number D from C. Okay. Number two, you must wear a life jacket when you are on a boat. It might your life. So it will save your life. So it will save your life. Save someone's life, save your life, and the same. Number three, try to, if you are in dangerous situations. So you have to relax. You have to keep calm. And never say it calm. Okay? It's keep calm. Number four, take a map. Take a map with you. You don't want to get lost. You don't want to get lost or disappear. Number five, many people every year while out walking in the mountain. So we have here, we can answer it as go missing, to disappear, or get lost also. So we can answer number five as go missing or get lost. Number six and the last one, I'll to the Amazon next year when I have saved enough money. Okay, when I've saved enough money or saved up enough money. Okay, so I will make the journey. I will do the journey to the Amazon. So, and this is the answer of the vocabulary and the collocation expressions. And please answer the homework on the workbook page 42, the vocabulary part. Okay. Number A and number C. Circle the correct words and complete the sentences by do, get, go, keep, and save. Thank you, and please study hard and do your homework. See you next time, inshallah, and stay safe. Bye.